Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to cognitive class. In today's cognitive class, we shall work with the cognitive workbook. In the cognitive workbook, move to page number 100 where we have review 7 about the concept Asia. We have a revision regarding the concept Asia which we have learnt in the previous classes. Write the names of 5 Asian countries. We have to write any 5 names of Asian countries. I have chosen India, Russia, Nepal, Japan and Sri Lanka. Write the names of 2 neighboring countries of India, Nepal and Pakistan. Draw and color the outlines of any 2 Asian countries. I have made children to draw the map of Sri Lanka and Bhutan in the class itself. They have already drawn it. Kindly help them to color the maps. The next question is to write the names of any 2 Asian countries which are surrounded by a ocean. They are Sri Lanka and Maldives. We have many more countries which are surrounded by the ocean. I have chosen here Sri Lanka and Maldives. The next question is to write the names of any 2 Asian countries which are surrounded by land. They are China and Nepal. We have many more, but here I have chosen China and Nepal. Now, after completing page number 100, let us leave page number 101 and we shall move on to page number 102 where we have summative review. We have few activities regarding the previous concepts. To write the names of the countries the flags belong to. A flag with white background and a red circle in between belongs to the country Japan. It is Japan's national flag. The next flag is ours. It's Tiranga, Indian flag. The next flag where we can see a white band, blue band and red band is Russian flag. Name the countries for which it belongs to. The next question is how many corners and sides does a rhombus have? Rhombus is a 4-sided figure, so it has 4 corners and 4 sides. What do you call a piece of land that is surrounded by water? A piece of land which is surrounded by water is called as island. Then we have a pattern to complete in each row. By looking at the pattern given, we have to complete the given space. First row we have a square colored with blue, and in the next portion we have a square, yellow square where the diagonals are drawn. Similarly, we have blue circle, then we have to write the diagonals in the circle. A rectangle, next we have a rectangle which is divided into 4 parts and has been colored with different colors. Square, then we have to divide the square into 4 parts and color it similarly. A circle, and then 2 symmetric lines are drawn in between the circle and they have colored it with yellow. We have a triangle. We have to draw a triangle and write 2 lines of symmetry and color it with yellow. Dear parents, I have helped the children to complete the pattern. Only the coloring activity is left over. Kindly help them to color the completed pattern. Now let us move on to the assignment part in cognitive practice book. In cognitive practice book, open page number 57 where we have an activity to underline the mistakes and rewrite the sentences. The Great Wall of China is in Africa. Here the mistake given is Africa. Underline it because the Great Wall of China is in China. Mongolia is an island. Mongolia is not an island because it is surrounded by land on all the sides. Instead of Mongolia, we shall correct it as Maldives. Maldives is an island. Here we have to refer the Asia map and write the answers. Name any 4 island countries of Asia. Here we can refer the map. We have many islands here. Few of them are Sri Lanka, Philippines, Taiwan and Timor. Name the 2 countries between Russia and China. The 2 countries between Russia and China are Mongolia and Kazakhstan. Name the 2 largest countries in Asia. The 2 largest countries in Asia are Russia and China. Name the 4 neighboring countries of Thailand. They are Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam and Myanmar. Now let us move to next page, where we have a similar activity to underline the mistakes and rewrite the sentences. Hen is the national bird of India. Here the mistake given is hen. Underline the hen. Instead of hen, we have to write peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. Birds have fins and scales. Birds do not have fins and scales. Underline the word birds. It is the mistake given. Instead of birds, we have to write fishes. Fishes have fins and scales. Fish have hair. Underline the word hair here. It is the mistake given. Fish have scales. Banana is the national fruit of India. The mistake given here is banana. Underline it. Instead of banana, we have to write mango. Mango is the national fruit of India. A pilot treats us when we are unwell. Here the mistake given is pilot. Underline it. Instead of pilot, we have to write doctor. A doctor treats us when we are unwell. Australia is the largest continent. Underline the word Australia because it is not the largest continent. Asia is the largest continent. Instead of Australia, we have to write Asia. Next, we have few words to unscramble and write. The words given are plant, deer, lotus, crown, teeth and scales. Dear parents, kindly go through the video to help your children to complete the given assignment in page number 57 and 58 in cognitive practice book. Thank you.